In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best back market discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for back market discount code. Right here, select this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to enjoy this one with $10 off your next purchase, all you have to do is select your coupon code right here, and this is the discount code. You can copy this one and use it on your next purchase in order to get this discount right here. Also, going back to our main search right here, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, we have another website which is called simplycodes.com. If you open it, you see right here that there is a list with other promo codes that you can use for discounts. For example, if you want to get, let's say this one with $15 off discount, all you have to do is just select copy code right here. And this is the discount code that you can copy and apply on your next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.